Bruh bought a hat the other day. He back up in here and won. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. He walking in the grocery store right now. Just got a hat the other day, man. He back up here with it, man. That's crazy.